Hi guys, how you going? Welcome back to Fourth Generation Renovation. Today I thought I'd change things up a bit and do some more work on the Leadlight panel for the transom in the main bedroom. So now that the main bedroom's finished, obviously we need to get that in. So I'm going to get stuck into this. I'm going to cut some glass. I'm going to do some grinding and I'll lay it all out and show you what it looks like all laid out with all the colours and all the shapes looking good. Alright, so I've ground the glass. I haven't got it all finished yet. I've still got a bit more to cut, but I'll lay it all out and I'll show you as far as I've got. One thing I did discover with the template that I stuck on there, it is okay, you just can't grind the whole thing at once. So if you've got a few bits, you can grind a section of it, put it down, dry it off, leave it to sit for a few minutes, and then go again after it's dried. So yeah, if you do use this method of using tracing paper and using a glue stick to stick it on there, just give it a bit of time to stick back down nice and hard. So I've got all that done, so I'll lay these out bit by bit and we'll see how it all looks. Right, so there we have it. That's as far as I've got. Still got quite a few bits to cut. So these bits here, I haven't figured out what glass to put in there. I've got some nice clear glass. I've just got to work out how I'm going to lay them out. But I'm pretty happy with that. It's looking good. All the gaps should be there. Doesn't need very much. Only needs a couple of mil, not even. So yeah, that's coming up quite nice. Time consuming, but well worth the effort. So that's about all the progress on the Leadlight panel up to now. I've got to get some more of this gold glass here because I didn't have enough to do all the bits. So I'll get that. This through here is out of, that's going to be a clear glass, but a patterned clear glass. So I'm going to try and work out how to put some different patterns in there. This one around the outside, I was going to do clear like that, but looking at it now, I might make that a patterned one as well. But it's good to see it come together like this every now and then, and excuse me, and see how I'm travelling with it. I think the gaps are good, but I might have to do a bit of grinding when I come to do the lead, which is okay. That's not going to be a problem. Now this is the first time I've tackled anything like this, and I want you all to know you can do it too. All these jobs that I'm doing, the whole point of my channel is to, what are you doing? Sorry. The whole point of this channel is to show people that there's things out there that you might think, oh, I've got to pay someone to do that, but you don't. Yes, you do need tools for doing these jobs, and I think the tools for this job are probably about $400, but then you've got the tools and you can do as many of these as you want. Just have to buy the glass and the lead and those types of things, but the tools, once you're set up, they're always there. They can get tucked away in the shed and they can come out and do a job whenever you want to do something. So, you know, once I've mastered, or not mastered, once I've done this and I've got confidence in being able to do it, excuse the dog, I'll probably make some Leadlight panels for some furniture that I'm making, but a lot simpler than this. This is over the top really, but it's going to look great. Up there in the transom, I'll show you in a minute, we've got light during the day. We've got the light that comes through there from the window, and we've also got, when you turn the light on at night, you'll get the light coming through it then as well. So it's a kind of thing, unless the house is completely dark, you'll always see the light through all this coloured glass, and it's going to look beautiful. I really can't wait to get that. That's going to be the icing on the cake for our bedroom. I know we sort of said the room's finished, but this is a job in its own, really. Lily, you're being annoying. Give, gimme, give. And we're back, and the dog's still holding the toy. So I'm going to give up on that. So yeah, this will get painted up in the gloss white, and that's going to make it pop as well. So there's a couple of other jobs I'm going to get started probably tomorrow at work. I'll take you around and show them, and then we'll wind up the video. So you can see that with the light on in the bedroom there, it's going to shine through that Leadlight panel, and you'll see all those colours. So that's going to be really nice. So I'll take you inside the bedroom, show you a couple of things. Firstly, inside the bedroom, check this out. All that rubbish there was from Lily chewing her new bed up, because that bed, you can see, is too small for her. Paid a mint for that bed, and we thought it was huge when she was a puppy. But yeah, look, she loves all this mess, so I'm going to have to clean that up in a minute. But that's what she thought of her new bed. So the other thing is this window. So I'm going to put a pelmet on top of there, and it's going to be in blackwood. So it's going to be the same as this, what the bed's made of. So that's Tasmanian blackwood. And the pelmet, I'll show you a picture. I'll just move this over. So that's what I'm going to do for the pelmet on here, and I'll show you the fabric that I've picked out also. So back to the pantry here. As you can see, it's being used for storage just at the moment. I'm going to get started on the door. I've got to cut this up a bit higher. So where that vent is going to be a transom, but it's going to have a mesh in it. So just for a vent there. So the door will be the same as the one for the bedroom. So that's, I know what I'm doing there, and I've got most of the bits cut up. I'll just see if I can show you inside here at what we got left. So I'll just quickly show you this before we sign off. So this is a painting I did of an old bridge. I think it was a photo from England. And I made up the frame also, and I'm going to just tidy that one up, and I'm going to hang it in our bedroom because we put it up in there and it looks pretty good. So I just thought I'd show you this. So back to the sign off then. So I'm going to try and sign off now. If hopefully Lily will leave me alone for a little bit. So there are a few jobs I'm going to be getting into in the next few days. I'll continue on with this Leadlight panel. I'd like to have this finished in the next couple of weeks, I would say. That would be great, and then that'll finish that off because I'm having my 50th birthday party here. So it would be great if I could get this finished and show it off when I have my birthday party. So that'll do for this video, and thanks again so much for watching. I really do appreciate it, and if you enjoyed it, hit the like and leave a comment for me. If you've got projects of your own going, whether it be Leadlight or some woodworking jobs or some construction jobs, whatever you got, let me know what you're doing. I'd be interested to hear what other people are doing, and you know, if I can see some pictures or something, that would be great. So yeah, thanks again for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.